my magic spelling wand, I can spell the word open to open the drawbridge. Wands up. Oops. Ready? Take out your magic spelling wands and get ready. What letter makes the sound O? O! Oh, yes! Let's write an O!
Presto's lovely letter matchup. Hi, Super U! Let's play lovely letter matchup. We play by finding a card with a letter on it and listening to the sound it makes. Next, try and find a card with a picture that starts with the same sound. Try to remember where the cards are in case you need to find one again. Okay. Ready? Choose easy, medium, or hard. Click on 2 cards and see if they match. Try another card. Keep looking. Pot doesn't start with the sound eh. Try another card. Keep looking. Pot doesn't start with the sound eh. Try another card. Elephant starts with the sound eh. Splendid match! X-ray doesn't start with the sound. Keep looking. Leaf starts with the sound. Magnificent matching. Pot starts with the sound P. Spectacular match. X-ray starts with the sound lovely matching. Yarn doesn't start with the sound G. Keep looking. Yarn starts with the sound Y. Spectacular match. Grapes starts with the sound G. Lovely matching. Lovely letter matching! You matched all of the pictures with their sounds.
Amazing! You earned a prize. Get it now. No thanks. No thanks.
Are you there? Are you sure to exit? Are you done? Having the mission 5, 4. Don't have an idiot in the mind. 3. What's that? What's the mean?
My prizes. Type in your name, then click the OK button. OK. Use the arrows to see your prizes. Stop.